To our VIPs, guests, first time, second time, and third time attendees, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. For a while, I will be talking about the fundamental principles that will make a difference in our approach to our business. Okay? It's the age-long quote, how do we look at a glass half full or half empty? When we are presented a system, a business, a process, paano po natin tinitignan? Do we look at it as an opportunity or do we look at it as an adversity? There are two approaches. We look at it as a half-empty approach, meaning we become pessimist, nagiging negative tayo, we don't see the opportunity. Or we can look at it as half full. We become an optimist, very hopeful, we see the company's potential. And therefore, we tend to improve ourselves, we acquire the skills, and lead us to self-growth, and create strategies towards our goal. This quote is just a principle. It's you, how you look at a situation. If it is half full or half empty, the choice is ours. So let me bid all the guests, first-time guests, to look at the company in a positive way. It could be an adversity to you or it could be an opportunity. I hope and pray when you exit this room, it will be an opportunity. With that, sit tight, relax, enjoy, and welcome to our Success Academy. This is Sharon Rose Master Nigel Arellano, and good afternoon to everyone.